Okay, I got a problem with this dry now. So as I was saying, we had it for like 6 years now. But me come up to 7 years now, I think. So it's gonna do dry distribution now because there's no belt on this dry. So this bomber issue is dry belt. So I'm spin it with this. Like this one, because there's no belt on this dryer, so because the fan seems to be going worse since over a couple of cycles and that fan needs changing, so I think I need to get this belt changed. So yeah. Yeah. No belt. Oh. No belts on this one now. So okay. Alright, time to get the belt changed.